Who doesn't want to take a big, juicy bite of this? 24 hours of eating mangoes from breakfast to dinner. 6 unique, mouth-watering mango recipes. Watch till the end to know my personal favorite. Let's go. Today we're making paneer masala dosa with raw mango sambar. This raw mango sambar is the perfect blend of tangy and spicy and is a must try if you love fresh flavors. Soak tur dal for an hour, add water, a little haldi and let it cook. While this is cooking, take a kadai, add oil, dried red chilies, rai, jeera, ginger garlic, curry leaves and ghee. Fry this a little before adding onion slices and slit green chilies. Along with the raw mango, we're going to be adding this drumstick to today's sambar. Add chopped tomatoes, the drumstick, turmeric, salt and sambar masala and saute well. Add a little water so that the vegetables don't burn. Now let us chop up the star of the sambar into cubes. Once the dal is cooked, add a little salt and lightly mash it. Now add the dal, the raw mango cubes, tamarind pulp and water. Cover and let it all cook for 20 minutes. Then we'll add a little jaggery and of course dhania, and here you go. Tangy and spicy raw mango sambar is ready. We have our dosas, the paneer masala. Doesn't that look so good? Let's serve ourselves some of this. And we have the delicious sambar. Making raw mango sambar is something I learned from my mama, who's from the Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh. First, we bless all the people responsible for this food reaching this plate today, and then we dig in. Let's get a bite of that raw mango. It has all the flavors in it. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's sour, it's tangy. I love it. And that, my loves, is the first mango dish for the day done. 1 done, 5 more to go. Alright, around noon, it's time to have something refreshing in this summer heat. Ampanna. Chances are you've already had this drink, but today we're going to give it a twist. Traditionally, raw mangoes are boiled to make ampanna, but today we are going to roast them. Let us start roasting our raw mangoes. Once the mangoes cool down, peel the skin, take out the pulp, add pudina, jaggery, roasted jeera seeds, salt, black salt, add just a little water and blend it all together. Now add chilled water and ice cubes to this. And just like that, you've got this delicious, cooling, hydrating drink. Perfect to keep you going through the morning. You know how some drinks make you go, This, my loves, is one of them. Mango dish number 2 done, 4 more to go. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Today's lunch is a whole vibe. On the menu, we have raw mango salad, soya chunk gravy with rotis, and my favorite way to eat curds, raw mango raita. Let's go. For the salad, we're going to peel a raw mango and thinly slice it. Also thinly slice some cucumber, carrot and onion. There are so many varieties of mangoes. If I'm being honest, it took me a while to learn all the names. The most famous ones in Delhi, there's the Sherry, Langda, Alfonso, Totapuri. Am I missing something? Anyway, you know what is my favorite variety of mango? The one that I miss the most? It's Banginpalli from South India. Yes. It reminds me of childhood, of the days I would run around with cousins in the scorching summer heat, and then we would all run back home after playing in the sun to bite into those deliciously juicy Banginpalli Mamidi Pandu. Anyway, let's get back to putting the salad together. Let's add the raw mango and the veggies to a bowl. For the dressing, put in some green chili, ginger, coriander leaves, jaggery, tamarind pulp and salt and grind it all together. Pour this delicious goodness all over the raw mango and veggies. Roast some groundnuts, crush them and top your salad up with this crunchy goodness. Mix it all together, take a whiff and my god, muh mein itna sara pani. Let's stick this in the fridge while we make the raita. For the mango raita, whisk some curd with salt, black salt and jeera powder. Cut a ripe mango like this. Now doesn't that look gorgeous? And add the slices to the curds. It is best to use chilled curd and a chilled mango for this recipe. Then in a kadai, heat some desi cow ghee, rai, kadi patta, one split green chili and hing. Mix it all together and you have this awesome savory and sweet raita in front of you. Today for lunch, along with the raw mango salad and the mango raita, we're going to have soya chunk gravy and rotis. Let us serve ourselves some lunch. A generous amount of the salad, roti, soya chunky sabzi and this gorgeous raita. The fresh aromas from the dressing of the salad are totally worth the effort. This can be the star dish that you serve when you have friends and family home. And this raita, I learned from my mother-in-law when I first moved to Delhi and I've loved it ever since. And just like that, mango delicacies 3 and 4 are done, just 2 more to go. It's early evening and we need a snack. I know it, you know it. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. We are going to make a delicious mango dessert which also doubles as a healthy snack. These cute little crystals are called gond katira. They are extracted from the sap of a plant and is used in traditional Indian medicine for cooling and health benefits. So good for the summers. Let's soak 5 to 6 gond katira crystals in water, which I already did this morning because you need to soak them for at least 4 to 5 hours before they turn into this beautiful jelly-like substance. Isn't it so pretty? Now some chia seeds for the omega-3 fatty acids and the fiber that keeps you feeling full longer. Obviously. Soak the chia seeds in water for around an hour till they start to look like this. Take a chill mango and chop it up like this. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Blend some of the mango pieces with coconut milk. You can also use normal milk if you wish to, or no milk at all. But remember, save some of the mango pieces for later. Now let's put the dish together. Take the gond katira and chia seeds, save some for garnish later, and mix these with the mango puree. Look, my darlings, if you have the patience here, you can stick this in the fridge for about an hour for best results. But let me be honest with you. I want to eat this right now. Right now is the literal definition of when I want to eat this. So excuse me while I skip that step altogether. Now for the gorgeous garnish. Add a few mango pieces, some gond katira, chia seeds and dry fruit and seeds. I am going in with cashew nuts, almonds and pumpkin seeds. This completely sugar-free dessert is a great way to look fancy without putting in much effort. This recipe is a great way to look fancy without really putting much effort. And it's healthy too. So my cuties, the next time you want to impress someone at home, make this and serve it up. 5 mango dishes done. Last one to go. On the menu for dinner tonight is raw mango pulihora, just the way my mom makes it. A little spicy, a little tangy and oh so delicious. For this mango recipe, first let us cook some rice. Once the rice is cooked, over the hot rice, pour a little oil and turmeric powder and mix it gently. In a kadai, heat a little oil and fry some groundnuts. Once the groundnuts are half fried, add in some red chilies, chana dal, urad dal, rai, jeera, hing, some slit green chilies and curry leaves and fry all of that till that delicious smell hits your cute little nostrils. After this, add the grated raw mango and saute for 2 minutes. How much grated raw mango you have to saute? Well, just a little less than the amount of uncooked rice you used in the beginning. Now add some salt, freshly grated coconut and saute again. Let's turn off the flame and add this mixture to the cool down rice, top it up with chopped dhania and mix well. And there you have it, raw mango coconut pulihora. We'll have this with some cucumber raita and papad. This is one of those dishes that doesn't need much, just makes you feel held. Feels like the perfect end to this mango-licious day. One full day of mango dishes done. One fruit enjoyed in 6 ways. We had tangy dishes, savory dishes, sweet dishes, spicy dishes. Brothers and sisters, I'm not saying you should cook all of these dishes in the same day and eat them. But now, whenever you want, you have 6 unique mango recipes to choose from. Let me know in the comments what your favorite mango dish is. Click here to watch how I lost 6 kgs in 30 days with this diet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.